In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Evernote on your laptop. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, I'll walk you through the process, step by step, so you can begin organizing your notes efficiently and effortlessly. Evernote is a fantastic tool designed to help you keep track of your ideas, to-do lists, and projects all in one place. If you're ready, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser on your laptop. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top. You'll want to type in Evernote Download and hit Enter. This should bring up a list of search results, and you're going to look for the official Evernote website's download page. It should be one of the top results. Click on that link to take you directly to the Evernote download section. Now that you're on the download page, you'll see two options for downloading the application. One is for Windows users, and the other is for Mac users. It's important to identify which operating system your laptop is using. If you're unsure, you can check this by going to your system settings. For Windows, you would see options like Download for Windows, and for Mac, you will see Download for Mac. Choose the correct link for your operating system to ensure a smooth installation process. Clicking the appropriate download link will start the downloading process. You should see a file beginning to download, typically at the bottom of your browser window. It might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, but once the download is complete, you're ready to move on to the installation. Locate the downloaded file. On Windows, this might be in your Downloads folder, while on a Mac, it might appear directly in your Downloads stack, or also in the Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to open it. This action should prompt the Evernote installer to begin. When it does, you may see a pop-up that asks you for permission to run the installer. You'll want to click Yes or Allow, or whatever option is presented to confirm that you want to proceed. Once the installer launches, follow the on-screen instructions. It'll guide you through the setup process. Usually, it's just a matter of clicking Next or Continue a few times to finalize the installation. The default settings are typically sufficient, but feel free to customize them if you're comfortable doing so. After a few moments, the installation should complete, and Evernote will be ready for use. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Evernote on your laptop. Now, you can open the application and start creating notes, lists, and more. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.